Hi and welcome back. This is January of 2026 and we will go through tech news का wrap up this month. 10 बड़ी चीजें क्या हुई? सबसे पहले गूगल की बात करेंगे. गूगल का शेयर प्राइस ऑलमोस्ट 80% रन अप किया है पिछले 6 महीने में. टेक्नोलॉजिकल एडवांसमेंट्स के लिए किया है, बट जनवरी 26 में स्पेसिफिकली क्या हुआ कि एप्पल हैज डिसाइडेड कि हमसे ना हो पाएगा द चैटबॉट थिंग और सीरी को अब चलाएगा गूगल. गूगल का जेमिनाई पावर करने वाला है सीरी को. अब आप जब पूछोगे हे सीरी कैन यू कॉल प्रांजल, इट विल बी द जेमिनाइज ब्रेन दैट विल वर्क and Google will get paid $1 billion every year. It's not a big money in Google's scheme of events, but it is a big technological victory for Google that has happened. This has resulted into astronomical share price increase for Google in the month of December and January of 26. The next big thing that happened was with Nvidia. Nvidia has gone from strength to strength. It has crossed 5 trillion while Google is still catching up on 4 trillion. January में 4 trillion पहुंच गया था, but Nvidia still is the largest company in the world with 5 trillion. How has it continued to do it? It has continued to move towards inference layer. वो बस अपने chips and chip superiority पे rely नहीं कर रहा है, वो inference के applications बनवा रहा है. उसका सबसे बड़ा example हमने देखा with the partnership between Eli Lilly and Nvidia, where Nvidia is setting up the computation house for Eli Lilly to discover new medicines or to do new research in medicines. ये हम सुनते थे कि AI से बहुत सारी मेडिसिन डिस्कवरी बहुत ईजी हो जाएगी बिकॉज क्लिनिकल ट्रायल्स ईजियर हो जाएंगे, trial and errors will be way less, way faster. So Nvidia is now setting up that whole thing. The biggest trend for 2026, the new one, is going to be the rise of physical robotics. रोबोट जो बचपन में देखते थे, जो थोड़ा बहुत चलते थे, हिलते थे, अब सडनली उनको ब्रेन मिल जाएगा. तो दुनिया की बहुत सारी चीज़ें इनमें बहुत ज़्यादा कॉस्ट लगता है बिकॉज ऑफ द एक्सपेंसिव मशीन्स दैट डू इट, या फिर पीपल हु रन दोज मशीन्स, या पीपल जो काम करते हैं वो सारा रिप्लेस होना शुरू होगा अब 2026 में बाय इंटेलिजेंट रोबोट्स. सो रोबोटिक्स विथ AI, जिसको इंडस्ट्रियल या फिजिकल रोबोटिक्स भी बोलते हैं, दैट इज द बिगेस्ट ट्रेंड ऑफ 2026. Fourth very interesting thing that happened this year in the first month was the Netflix, Paramount and WBD Warner Brother Discovery fiasco or the whole saga. Warner Brother is up for sale. Netflix बोल रहा है $27 पर शेयर पे खरीदेगा. Paramount बोल रहा है नहीं, मैं 30 पे खरीदूंगा. I'm paying a higher price, but in the Netflix deal, Netflix is saying कि network business हम निकाल देंगे और spin out कर देंगे और उसका अलग से देखते हैं. Paramount उसकी वैल्यू 0 लगा रहा है. Of course, ऐसा लग रहा है prima facie कि Netflix deal is better also in the long term, but it has become a mess. Paramount is trying to block the deal from happening and board is not clear which way they want to go, and of course there's a whole M&A wrath that goes around कि M&As कराना बहुत ही मुश्किल होता है. 90% M&As don't complete, हो नहीं पाते हैं. तो we'll see over the months कि ये WBD, Warner Brother, all of us have grown up seeing Warner Brother so much. ये finally कहाँ जाता है? Paramount को जाता है backed by Larry Ellison, or it goes to Netflix. Fifth very important thing that happened right at the start of the year is the wars and the tariff. There was war after war. Trump declared a war on Venezuela. Iran is going through a massive instability. There were already 6 wars going on. Then US went in and said कि हम डेनमार्क को अटैक कर देंगे. It is almost like US इंग्लैंड को बोल रहा है कि हम अटैक कर देंगे. Two very powerful countries which have been friends since World War II, वो एक दूसरे को बोल रहे हैं कि हम अटैक कर देंगे. So US also went in and said कि डेनमार्क को अटैक करना पड़ेगा तो कर देंगे to acquire Greenland, which has rare earth metal, which is very very important for EV, robotics, silicon chips and everything we talk about in this channel. सब में rare earth metal जाता है, which Denmark has. So there's lot of wars that happened. It is a big thing because it is a changing world order. It is not about कि वो दो country आपस में लड़ रहे हैं. उसका repercussion हर तरफ जाता है. So that was a big event that happened in January 2026, that a president who got elected on the back of the narrative कि मेरे को war चाहिए नहीं, मैं आते ही Israel war बंद कर दूंगा, मैं आते ही Ukraine war बंद कर दूंगा, I am anti-war, is declaring war after war. Every Sunday there is a new war he's declaring. So that was a big shift in the geopolitics of the world. Another very interesting thing that happened, the sixth one, is the tariff drama. This tariff drama started in April of 25. दैट इज़ वेयर द फर्स्ट टाइम ट्रम्प निकल के बोला कि हम टैरिफ लगाएंगे इंडिया पे. ऑफ कोर्स शुरू में कम टैरिफ था, बट लेटर समथिंग हैपेंड. ज़ेलेंस्की वेंट देयर एंड ट्रम्प लॉस्ट कंट्रोल. ही सेड नो, आई एम वेरी एंग्री एट इंडिया, देयर विल बी अ 50% टैरिफ, which was then one of the highest that any country got tariff. उस समय वही बहुत बड़ी बात थी. 25% टैरिफ था, 25% रशिया से तेल खरीदा का पनिशमेंट था. But suddenly in the Jan of 2026, now Trump is talking about 500% tariff. टैरिफ्स में बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग बात ये है कि ट्रम्प ने सोचा कि मैं 500% का टैरिफ लगा देता हूँ. दिस इज इनसेन. इसके बाद तो बिजनेस क्रॉस बॉर्डर हो नहीं पाएगा. So the other day I was talking to a vendor who provides car doors to Ford, and he told me कि वो 500% टैरिफ भी लगा देना तब भी चाइना से इंपोर्ट करना is cheaper than procuring and making in US. So there's a massive tariff game that's going on under the hood of Russia sanction bill कि जो लोग रशिया से तेल खरीदते हैं उन पे 500% टैरिफ. On the trading side, the year started with two big trend lines. One was the metal run-up. The gold silver run-up continued and it is expected कि अब copper भी run-up करेगा. The other thing that continued was the power deficiency का FOMO in major economies. For example, US को लगता है by 2028 it will go into a power deficiency. जितना power उनके लोगों को चाहिए उतना होगा नहीं. And this power deficiency को solve करने के लिए there are so many things that are happening. The only solution, if at all, I think इसका होगा is कि एक्चुअली ऐसी चिप्स बन जाएं जो वे मोर पावर एफिशिएंट होंगी, क्योंकि ये पावर जो खा रहा है ना वो कंज्यूमर नहीं है, वो एआई है. एआई के डेटा सेंटर्स और उनकी चिप्स हैं. तो अगर ऐसी चिप्स बन गई जो वे मोर एफिशिएंट होंगी, इट कुड बी फ्रॉम गूगल, फ्रॉम टीपीयू, इट कुड आल्सो बी नाउ Amazon is entering into chip making. That is where they are focusing. That also makes Amazon a very interesting buy for 2026. The China superiority. अगर बात टेको बिजनेस की हो रही है तो चाइना की बात तो करनी ही चाहिए. तो एक बार चाइना को देख लेते हैं. 2-3 बड़ी चीज़ें हो रही हैं चाइना में. चाइना का जियोपॉलिटिकल हैंड बहुत स्ट्रांग हो रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ द रेयर अर्थ मेटल. यूएस कुछ नहीं कर पा रहा है और इंक्रीज्ड यूएस और इंडिया फाइट की वजह से इट इज़ बिकम वेरी एपरेंट दैट इंडिया इज बिकमिंग अ वेरी वीक लिंक जियोपॉलिटिकली. सो चाइना इज नाउ to my mind in 2026 will go on leverage. मतलब इंडिया पे चढ़ेगा चाइना और यहाँ से भी स्क्वीज आउट करने की कोशिश करेगा. So geopolitically, two big nations say China is winning a lot and will continue in 2026. So that is on China. Another big trend of 2026 is going to be AI acquisition. The year started with Snowflake going in and acquiring Observe. Observe is observability platform for AI. It was a $1 billion deal that makes Snowflake very, very efficient. Also, it was built within the ecosystem Snowflake. So 2026 will see a lot of smaller, Manus also happened in the last 30 days where Meta went in and said for $2 billion it will acquire a startup or a company that has launched the product under 12 months. And for once, let's cover the devil of AI. The devils of AI also started coming out. Grok में जितना misuse हो रहा है of AI to create sexualized content of real women, including leading politicians or leading celebrities and even men, it has gone to an insane level. Grok का AI agent is producing some 7,000 images every day. And this has created reverberations through nations. India has issued a notice to Twitter कि बंद कराओ ये. US has called in Grok people कि नहीं ये क्या चल रहा है. So the AI devil is becoming very real in society. Societies will now have to get used to these things. पहले ऐसे होता था कि किसी की अगर न्यू पिक्चर रिलीज हो जाए या कुछ हो जाए तो क्या हो गया, and it is very offensive. But with the proliferation of AI, looks like it will be extremely difficult to control it. And one company that I think will be a very interesting buy in 2026 will be Amazon. Why? Because Amazon has for last 1 or 2 years not gotten the same lift up which the rest of the Mac 7 has. And Amazon, much like Google, has a lot of frontier tech under the hood that's just going to come out, including chips, which is a very big valuation business. So Amazon का P इतना expand नहीं किया है. E has done well in terms of CAGR, but Amazon should see a very good 2026 and 2027. That's all for the news wrap-up of January 2026. I'll see you again with the news wrap-up in February 2026, and we'll do this every month. Till then, if you could like, subscribe and share this video, that would be very helpful. And also if you could hit that bell icon, that goes a long way too. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time.